Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, product specialist and love promise coordinator here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is going to be on a problem that I've been getting quite a lot lately. What happens if I'm using my Android Auto or CarPlay navigation system and I can't hear anything? If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos on everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 19 years working for Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people get use out of the videos, and let me keep making them for you. All right, let's get into it. So like I said, this video is going to be on how to fix the volume level on your Android Auto or CarPlay navigation system. I'm not going to be able to show you an Android Auto screen because no one at my dealership has an Android device. Everyone has an Apple. So this is Apple Maps. But if you're driving and the car's navigation's working, but it's not giving you directions verbally, it's two things. So we're going to enter a destination here. We're going to go to my house. Hit go. So two things can happen. First one is this button right up here. I don't know how it happens, but sometimes you'll see that logo. That means the navigation is working, but it's not going to give you audible directions. The way you get to that screen, because when you're looking at it, you don't see that logo. You just tap the button. That appears in the right, and then you go up here, and you go up there, and then it's working. The other way, and this is honestly the way that's happening the most lately, is literally just the volume level on the voice navigation is off. It's just at 0. So if you input a destination and you start going somewhere, just turn up the volume while she's talking to you, while Siri is talking to you, or your Google Voice Assistant is talking to you, and that will fix the problem. It's literally two situations. Every single time, it's one of those two. It's that easy to fix. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.